Welcome back, data enthusiasts. In this video, we will walk through creating a performance-driven sales dashboard using Google Sheets. You will learn how to compute key performance indicators or KPI step by step. So let's get started. So step 1, you are going to download and copy the spreadsheet. First, open the shared Google Spreadsheet file containing the sales dashboard data set. Once it loads, go to the top left and click on File, then make a copy. Then save it to your own Google Drive and rename it with this format. Okay. Now that you have duplicated the spreadsheet file, next at the bottom of your Google Sheet, find the tab names Sales Dashboard, right click on it and choose Duplicate. Then duplicate. This creates an exact copy of the sheet. Now, rename the new sheet to Sales Dashboard with KPIs. Okay, this will be your working sheet for the new calculations. So we need not to overwrite this one. So dito tayo gagawa ng KPIs na gagamitin natin. Step number 3, we will add the following calculated KPI fields. Now it's time to create our calculated KPIs. Click on the first empty column after the original dataset at column M. One by one, enter the following column headers and formulas starting from row 2. So we have this header, we have the sales per hour, and then we have revenue per hour, and then we have total feedback, we have the client satisfaction, and then we have the positive feedback, and then negative feedback. So we have to make some formatting for our headers. So select this one, so align at the center, and then vertical align at top, then bold, then we have to include, let's say, color for our header. Now let's have the formula for each of these KPIs. For the sales per hour, this tells us how many sales were made per hour of effort. So meaning, you have to go to the formula equal sign, then the sales divided by hours, which is E2, then enter. Okay, so it would be good if we are going to convert this data into this value. Okay, then align it center. While the revenue per hour is the total revenue divided by the hours. Now let's change this formula into format which is whole number, or it could be a currency, but it should be rounded. Total feedback is the sum of all feedback types. So that means we will add excellent, good, fair, and poor. Equal sign, excellent plus good plus fair plus poor. So that's our total feedback, then align at the center. While the client satisfaction is equal to, so pag excellent, i-multiply siya with 5, that is the rate equivalent, then plus good, which is multiplied by 4, plus fair, which is multiplied by 3, plus poor, multiplied by 2. Then you divide this number with the total feedback divided by or multiplied by 5. Then you have here, change this value into number with 2 decimal places, or probably if you're going to convert this into percent, Ito na yung magiging value niya. Then center. But instead of converting it into percent, we will use just number. Now, positive feedback is combining the value for excellent and good. So that means we have al equal sign excellent plus good. Center. While negative feedback are those feedback that belongs to fair as well as poor. So align this at the center. Okay, so that's it. You are now able to include the original fields and the calculated KPIs per row. And this will help you analyze sales efficiency, satisfaction levels, and customer sentiments in details. You will also be ready to build insightful dashboards in Looker Studio using this enriched dataset. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will connect this KPI sheet to Looker Studio and design a full dashboard with charts, filters, and dynamic visuals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more business analytics tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.